Alright, these are the remaining babies. We've got 3 teenagers right here. And we've got the 2 babies that we kept. And I'm about 90% sure that their mama is pregnant again. Yep, we had her appointment to get her fixed, and she had all the symptoms last time. Belly hard, and I honestly didn't want to make the hour commute, because like I said, we're pretty 100% sure she's pregnant. So I went ahead and canceled that appointment, and we're going to see here what the next couple weeks brings. But yeah, they're super cute. So the 2 little babies here, their mom's name was Latte, so we decided the orange one we're calling Caramel, and the other one we are calling Mocha. These 2 here giving each other a bath. We really didn't name these guys. One we call Whitey because it's white compared to the other gray one. And the gray one we kind of call Gray One, and another name that I gave it, which is BB. And that actually stands for Black Balls. Because you can see him running away. Anyway, this little sweet man is MJ. He is my favorite of the teenagers. He's so sweet, so lovable, and he's like way softer. Like, he's just fluffy and super, super soft. But MJ is so cute. They're all cute. But yeah, this is who we've got left here. Well, it looks like these 2 finally gave up fighting for the spot, and they're sharing the flower pot now. For some reason, my pot of peppermint has been the hot item this week. Not sure why. Everyone has wanted to sleep in it. And at one point, we even had these 2 guys and the 2 kittens in there. Not sure. Hey, buddy. MJ. Hi, sweetheart. Are you my buddy? Yeah, you are. And this is Mr. Marshall. As you can tell, he's injured again there on his one eye, on the side of his face. And this is what we believe to be the dad of our neighbor's cat's first litter. The 3 ones that we call the teenagers here. But apparently he's been fixed. Who knows? They all look like him and the mom combined. They look nothing like the other male cat that has impregnated our cat that just had the kittens. As you can see, the 2 sets of kittens look nothing like each other. But yeah, see his poor eye. Look at his head, it's bleeding. But he's so sweet, and he's been sleeping up on our porch here a lot more lately, and actually he's been sleeping with the 2 white teenage cats. But he got into it with somebody. Hi, Latte. How you doing, baby? Hi.